Hey Thomas, Clay Rivenbark here at Tameron Honda. Want to thank you for your response to Gina's email. Saw you had some interest in a certified pre-owned Honda Civic. I've got a great selection, including these guys here, a coupe, as well as several more that we just traded for around back. Part of the certification process is going to go through a 182-point inspection by Honda certified master technicians. At that point, it's anything at a certain wear and tear has to be replaced with factory parts. This gives you the availability to have a 1-year, 12,000-mile non-powertrain warranty, as well as a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. We both know Hondas don't break very often, so you're going to be very well covered on these cars. What I need you to do is give me a call, shoot me a text, or reply to this email. We'll be able to set up a time for you to come take a look at our wide selection of certified pre-owned Hondas. Again, my name is Clay Rivenbark out here at Tameron Honda. My number is 256-600-6525. Thomas, I look forward to hearing from you, and I can promise you this: when you come to Tameron Honda here in Hoover, you're going to love the way you're treated.